All right, boys, we're just heading to the store here. Gonna get some groceries. Dude, if this kills the Burromax, I'm gonna be so mad. Yo, front flip. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we have the Burromax. We're gonna be talking about the top 5 mods or upgrades I've done to this bike. Those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. I've had a lot of new subscribers lately, so I wanted to do kind of an overview of all the stuff I've done to this bike because there is quite a bit to go over. So here's the bike. Again, it has a plethora of mods that we're going to go over here. Does 48 miles an hour, has a belt drive kit. What's up, man? People out here riding. So we're going to talk about some of the things I've done, kind of look at if I were buying one of these today, what would I do to it? And so, what's going on, man? Yeah. Good meeting you. Take care. Alright, where was I? Let's start off with, if I were buying one of these bikes today, here's what I would do to it. The first thing I did on this bike is the first thing I would do if I bought another one of these bikes, and that's suspension. The rear shock that these bikes come with is super bouncy, and so first thing I did was upgrade that. What I did was I put on a 200 millimeter D&M. This is the AOY 36C or something. I'll put the number up on the screen and I'll post a link in the description. But it's an adjustable shock. If you get yourself a shock pump, you can adjust the pressure and the rebound and stuff. It's super cushy. The first thing people say when they get on this bike is, man, the suspension is awesome. And the cool thing about an adjustable shock like this is you can adjust it to your weight. So it's perfect for you. You have this little O-ring here. Basically, you push this up to the top, sit on the bike, and then that'll go down, and that'll tell you where your sag is. And typically, you want the sag like 20 to 30% of the travel. The next mod I would do is the belt drive kit from Belts. This is something that it's not a necessity, right? You can't really quantify the benefits of it. It doesn't make your bike faster. Yes, it makes it a little quiet, but really what this changes is the way the bike feels. I ran this on the stock controller, and even there you see huge benefits because it's quieter, right? It sounds really nice. But then it smooths out the power delivery. With the stock controller, the throttle's a little bit jumpy. The belt kind of smooths that out, and it makes the bike feel more premium. The added benefit is no more maintenance, right? Your belt here is like $5 if you ever need to replace it. You don't need to lube it. You don't need to clean it. Super easy. So that's the second thing I would do. Now the next mod I would do, obviously, is power. You're going to want to upgrade your power. I have run 3 controllers on this bike, the stock controller, the hunt and stunt controller, and now the Fardriver 72300. I have an install video on my channel. It is a pretty involved process, but it's cool because you retain all of your stock functions like your light, your horn. I have a speedometer and all that stuff on here, so that's super awesome. But again, it's kind of involved. If you don't think you have the skills to do it, the hunt and stunt controller is a huge upgrade over the stock one, and that's like a plug and play 5-minute install, worthwhile upgrade for sure. With the hunt and stunt, I was topping out at 35 miles an hour. Again, this does 48 miles an hour with the Fardriver, so pretty big upgrade there, which leads me into our next upgrade, which is brakes. The stock brakes on this bike are not great. They're fine for the stock power levels and stock speeds that you're doing, but if you have an upgraded controller, you're going to want an upgraded brake or two. What I have here is the Magura MT5. These are expensive brakes, but they're well worth the money. You can see the caliper here, bolts up to the stock location. I ran the line just like the stock one, and then here's your lever. I've only done the rear brake, haven't done the front brake just yet, but that is next on my list of upgrades. Alright, so we've addressed a couple of the major shortcomings so far. Suspension on the rear, the power, and the brakes. the next thing we want to look at is the lights. Now the stock headlight is pretty cool. You have this little DRL ring thing, and then you have the headlight itself. I added this headlight for supplementary lighting, and the reason for that is I work a regular 9-to-5 job. I don't have time to ride during the day, so I do a lot of night riding. And so this is what I went with. Mounts up to the handlebar here. Kind of looks clean, dude. It looks pretty cleanly integrated, and then it's powered through a secondary function on my speedometer. So if you hold that, you can see the light icon comes on, and there's the light. It has a high and low beam. I have both of them running right now, and it's super bright. I'll insert some footage here of that, but definitely if you ride at night, that's going to be an awesome thing to have, and it's only like 25 bucks. The other cool thing about this light is it runs off of the stock voltage of the bike. A lot of lights you look out there will run off of like 12 volt, and so you need a step down converter. This one will run off 52 volts, so you don't need to do anything special to get it running on your bike. Honorable mentions here. Additional mods I've done. Pegs. These are the forged pegs from Burromax. I broke one of my pegs crashing my bike, upgraded to these. They feel really nice. They look better than the stock ones, and we know they're stronger than the stock ones. Other things I have on the bike: upgraded grips. These are some Pro Taper ones, really nice, and a phone mount. This one's from Ram Mount. I've been running this on this bike for almost 2 years now. Holds my phone super secure. I've never had it fall off. Going down rough roads, jumping off stuff. Super awesome. They're not cheap, but definitely worth having. And then I just have a mirror on here. Not super great kind of field of view with it because I'm in the frame, but it's out of the way and it's not sticking out, so that's super nice to have. That's probably security. All right, that's my cue to get out of here. Let's get out on the streets. We're going to head into the city, see how this thing performs. Oh yeah, like I said, a lot faster than stock. There's 42 and we've run into traffic, and it's super quiet. So for commuting, especially if you live in the city, dude, I've been saying this is like the best thing you could buy for commuting in the city, because you have like 28 miles of range that I tested when I did my range test. Check out that video, and you can keep up with traffic on any of these city streets. Let's see, we'll make a left here. Oh, can we make that light? I think we can. The only thing I really want to add to this bike at this point is turn signals. Still looking for a set that'll work off of 52 volts, because all the ones I'm finding require a 12 volt step down, and I don't want to mess with all that. Cruise on through here. Man, the city's empty right now. There's nobody out. I don't know what it is about Sundays, just people don't go outside. It was drizzling a little earlier, so that could be part of it. We met one dude on a Super 73. Let's see if anyone else is out here. There's a little spot here that people like to jump on their Surons and stuff. Let's see if anyone's out there. Still got to practice the wheelies, man. I haven't really had time to mess with that too much, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Let's see. Yeah, oh dude, yeah, people have been hitting it so much, there's like a trail now. Yeah, here's the little run up. You hit this. I've never hit this. I don't know how steep it is on that end. A little bumpy, and then you hop out into this. I might hit this on the Bomb Moto next time I bring that bike out here, but that little bump there is a little rough on this bike. Alright, let's cruise on through the city streets, see what's going on. I do got that M3 parked up looking clean. Oh, the LS430, look at that, dude. A thing of beauty. Now let's go on through the Capitol. Oh, they got protesters. What are they protesting? Should we go talk to them? Yo, what is this sidewalk, dude? Across the street from the state capitol. Look at that sidewalk. That thing ghetto. See what's going on. What's this protest about? Ain't none of it in English. Let me ask somebody, dude. This guy might know. He's got a flag. What are y'all protesting?
Here. There's been a huge accident in Serbia, and like students are protesting over it. It's been like millions of people on the streets. It's been just the entire.
So, hey, well, thank you. I appreciate the explanation. Yeah, have a good one. Alright, I understand the cause. I'm just a little confused why Serbians are protesting in Texas. You know, what's that all about? What's up with this? What's up, dudes? How's it going? What's that?
Are you the one who put him on video?
I think that was me, yeah. Yeah. You feeling okay after that? Yeah. Awesome. They're protesting like a government corruption in Serbia, which I don't know how that relates to the Texas, but yeah. Yeah. There it is. That's so awesome. There's a family out here chilling on their Surons. Ah. Yes, sir. I'm gonna head down to Rainy Street, but good seeing you guys. Yeah, take care. Just cruising through the city and running into people you've met before. I love going to those monthly group rides. I missed the last one. I think I was sick or something, so excited for the next one coming up. Oh, dude, I see a VW bus down there. Let's go check that out. Skirt. Yeah, dude, look at that. Oh, dude, thing's minty. Alright, we'll find a clearing here. We'll do a little top speed run. Show you guys what the Fardriver is all about. We're at 52.1 volts, so exactly half battery. So we'll see if we can still hit 48. I'm wearing a backpack with like a bunch of stuff in it, and I'm pretty heavy, so I mean, if I'm hitting 48 on this thing, dude, lighter riders, you should be hitting like 50 plus easy. Oh, we got a bumpy, super bumpy road, dude. This is sketch, but still gonna send it. What are you doing? Let's get a little bit of a tuck going. Just a little bit of a headwind. Seeing it hit 41. Little bit of a bump here. 43. 43 on a half battery with a 220 pound rider. Not bad. Let's see, maybe we'll make a left turn here. That's what we'll do. I think this passes under. Yeah, this works for me. And then we'll want to, I think, pick up the trail that goes right. I want to take this sidewalk up. Oh, there's no sidewalk. I've never been up this trail. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to see where this heads. People looking at me like, what's this dude doing? Am I going the right way? Oh, that's just some dude's camp up here. Let's check our map. Little creek is where the tunnels exit out to, and we need to be on that side of it. We're supposed to cross that bridge and take that up. I don't think I don't think we're gonna be able to do it here. So bad. Oh shoot, this is a bad idea, dude. We're just falling. We're just sinking in. Oh, yo, it's bumpy. I'm scared. Okay, we're down. That's a steep hill. I know it's not gonna look that steep on the video, but that's gnarly. Let's cruise on this way. Somewhere through here, there's got to be a way across. Oh, dude, there's a little path here. Hey, we're in business, boys. Yeah, buddy. Oh, they got a shopping cart. Y'all, you already know what time it is. Ooh, boy, y'all know exactly what time it is. All right, let's get this thing up a hill first. Test out the shopping cart's performance. All right, boys, we're just heading to the store here. Gonna get some groceries. Yo, this thing's steep. Oh, dude, if this kills the Burromax, I'm gonna be so mad. Yo, front flip, double front flip. Let's do that. What the heck? Shoot, I almost fell into a bush. What's going on? Alright. Dude, that was pretty sweet. Alright, let's see. Get this thing back up. Oh no! It's been raining, so got like all sorts of gross stuff in here. Unless that's just somebody blocking them off. Alright, so check it out. There's our stock headlight. It's fine, it's whatever, but look, dude, I can't see very far at all. Once I turn this on, yeah, buddy, we can see a lot further, we can go a lot faster, and it's less scary. Dodging all the poop water. Let's turn this thing off. Turn that one off. Alright. We out, boys. One thing I haven't tried on this bike yet, even though it has the ability, because of the Fardriver controller, is regen. So when you're coasting like this, it brakes a little bit and it recharges the battery. I haven't played around with that setting yet. I might actually end up doing that for another video, because that would be cool to see. A, if it extends our range at all, and B, you know, if I actually enjoy using it. Let's see what this, is this all blocked off? Attention codes have changed. 69. 420. That's not it. We're out of luck, boys. The suspension, dude, this thing is so cushy over this rough stuff. 10 out of 10, the first mod you should do to this bike if you get one. Are you gonna build something here? And then once you have the suspension sorted, you know, figure out if you want more power. You might not want more power, but if you do, you know, get that and then get you some brakes. See if we can get to the top of this garage. Yeah, there it is. There's that view poking through. There's that Magura brake. Oh, yeah. Get that, boys and girls. If you guys have any recommendations for videos or upgrades you want to see on this bike or the Bomb Moto, let me know in the comments. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.